Okay, one last thing, everyone. Please don't forget to click on the link down here to record your video on Flipgrid. Okay, when you click on the link, you will see this page, and you can watch my video. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? Okay, and then click on this big green button to record your own video. Click here and type your name. Type your name here. First name, last name. You can do it in English or Korean or any language. If you have an email address, you can put it here, but you don't have to. And then you click, let's go. And that's how you can record your Flipgrid video. Okay, everyone, it's time to say goodbye. Have a good day. Goodbye.